Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Matthew. I am not the normal host for this, but both Chuck and Sharon have run away. So they've turned the keys of the asylum over to the inmates. So we're running amok. Woohoo! We're having fun. So I need to know, audio check-wise, if you guys are hearing me out there. Give me a chat as to what the weather is in your area. We are a little warm today, up in the 90s. Volume isn't too loud. Is that any better, Connie? Yeah, we're in the 90s here today. Tomorrow we're looking at less than 60. And then back up in the 80s, and then back below 60. So we're on a roller coaster ride for the next few days. All right, it looks like people are hearing me. So let's start the show. We're going to talk about the new Student Manager release, ACEware. We don't have anything to show yet. We've got a pretty big deal going on that we're not quite ready to show. Volume on high. Connie's still having trouble hearing me. Is everyone else hearing me okay? I can't. All right, I've turned my volume up a little bit. Yeah, Janet says sounds good. Yes, Brittany, great. Okay, so Connie, I think it's something on your end, but we're gonna push through. Anyway, hopefully next month, Stein and Company will have the ACEware update to show us this new and spectacular item. But today I've got a few things to show you in Student Manager. Hear a tone in the background. Stein, I'm wondering if that's your connection. Yeah, great. Okay, I think that was it. Yeah, Stein, I think there's something wrong with your microphone because we were getting feedback in a meeting the other day with you. So anyway, that should take care of the sound issues. Yes, much better, Stein. Thank you. So a few things to show in Student Manager today. I'm going to first show on a course here with 10 people. Courses taken, or not courses taken. On the name screen, we redid the courses taken. I've done a similar thing with the student list in the course screen. So you now have this. You still can double click on the name and it gets to the registration, or it gets to the name screen. You can't go to the edit registration still due to if you have too many screens open, it starts muddying up the data. So yeah, unfortunately we still can't do that, but just go to Add Edit Regis from the course screen when you're wanting to actually edit the registration from there. You can still edit, grade in here, AS, you got an A, B, I don't know, B plus. I'm just randomly doing things. You could change the hours to 9. Come on, 9. The show pay, you can, who do I have paid? Oh, well, I've got quite a few people paid here. You can double click and see the pay info for these people still. So the normal things of the browse screen, except with you can actually now move columns around. Maybe you want the show pay before the due and paid. I don't know. I prefer it afterwards, but wherever you're needing to move columns, You've got all the other information back here still. You could change the registration note and all that other good stuff. Another thing I've been able to implement both with the courses taken and the student list is if you resize the screen, let's make it nice and big so you can actually see that it's doing this. I'm going to save and close. Come back to the student list, and it's remembered my screen size from the last time, so you don't have to keep resizing the window as you need to. So yeah, that's one of the improvements that we've been working on. Just trying to modernize this this view. We're still kind of doing some tweaks and things like that to get with it. Hopefully we get a few other things implemented yet in the next build of Student Manager. So still working on a few things, but yeah, we're pretty happy with how we're going here. Hold on, can't. Okay, somebody said that they can't see what I'm doing on the screen. Is that is what other people are also seeing? Are you guys seeing me? Okay, Leslie says she can see. Okay, good. So Rita, I'm not sure what's going on in your end, but everybody else is saying looks fine, and they're seeing me. So let me get to a course that has a wait list. Wait. Do I have any with a wait list? No. Okay, let's just make somebody waitlisted real quick. Okay, close. So the other thing we've done is the wait list is now similar to the student list in that you can go in here. You can actually still change the wait list from true to false. Registration note. You could still double click the name and get to bring up the name information, type a note, all that good stuff. So what happened there? That should have changed the wait list. Okay. That didn't save any of my changes. I did it. Did I hit save and close? Save and close. There it went. Okay. Make sure you hit save and close and not exit without saving when you're making changes on the other screens, so that it does that for you. All right. Next is, let's go to here, mess with Tom Jones again. Actually, somebody that has a payment or two. Looks like I'm going to add a payment real quick since this person's getting a refund. Okay, close. So with this, what we've done is on the pay fine screen is we've added the note field and the additional information field onto the search screen to help you, especially when you've got gobs and gobs of payment history to go through. You can hopefully use those to help you find things. The pay note field, and you can kind of tell because it's much wider down here in the box. Pay note, we've widened it clear out to 100 characters from 30. So a little more than triple the space for you to type your payment notes in. That way you can do a little bit more there. So that should also help you. Also, one of the things we've been doing. Let me get back to Tom Jones because he doesn't have payment. I want to invoice him or do a billing. I'm going to future date this billing to the 15th just to kind of show. What we've kind of been noticing is with a future invoice, and then somebody wants to come in and apply payment to invoice, so that the billing date correctly gets overwritten to today's date. And let me show that real quick. Yes, assign invoice number. Let me just pay this off real quick. Check, save. Okay, so back at the billing. Find. So it correctly changed the billing date today because you've actually invoiced it, given it the invoice number today, but we weren't notating that the original bill date, and some of you had let us know that, hey, you needed that for your records, so we are sticking it in the pay note, and with the wider 100 characters, you can definitely put in other notes as you see fit. So few different things here on the pay screen that have changed recently. All right, next is in the help menu, SM Updates Forum is now a link right from here. And my Chrome opened up in my other screen, so let me go over here. So yesterday when I posted the build and I made the forum post, you should have, or you could potentially have come out here and seen my notes for the release. Now, if you've subscribed to the forum, you get a notification that I posted in the forum, but now you don't have to wait for that notification. Well, and some people are they don't get those notifications, so you can go out there. Another way is we've got this big red button here, says new features. Well, it's not quite just new features because I do post quite a few of the bugs in the system that I fix as I fix them. So new features button here on the toolbar will also take you to the forum. And what we've done with this, let me put this back over here to my other screen. So it's going to be red for you when you first get into 68. Actually, it ended up being 68.1 is what the official release is. So the button's going to be red until the first time you click it, and then the button turns black. Then the next update you get, the button will turn red again. That way we can keep you informed when exactly new features are being posted that apply to you. That way, just another way to not quite overbearingly in your face, but a little bit, at the fringe of your view environment, you can see, hey, there's something else out there I can go see. What exactly has been done for you guys from us, and start seeing that stuff on a regular basis. So that's everything I've got to show, I think. Let me double check my notes. At least in the system. Does anybody have any questions? I don't see anything in the chat anyway. Well, if you've got a question, post it in the questions and we'll get to it, but I'll go back to the slideshow here. Oh, and Sharon wanted me to remind everybody, hey, go out to the forum. You can see the notes from the releases and all the features we're working on, or not working on, all the features we have done. And then, let's see, last thing, reminder, October 18th, tools and strategies to grow enrollment. Should be a good show for you guys. You can go to our website and sign up for the that webinar and come and see that. That should be good. I think that one could probably go on for hours and hours, but I think they're going to limit it to a fast-paced hour. So, well, guys, I'm not seeing any questions in the question box, so I'm going to wrap things up here. Wish you guys all a good day, and hope to see you guys soon. And thank you. Bye.